Hey y'all, sorry I'm on selfie mode today. I actually broke my stand for my phone, which is what I record on. So I'm gonna have to buy a new one to get you guys some better videos. But I just wanted to post this really quick. It is the whipped coffee that's been everywhere. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it is delicious. It's super easy. The number one complaint I keep seeing that everybody has is how long it takes for them to actually whip the coffee. I see people doing it by hand, some of them in a mixer. I actually just use an egg beater with one beater on it, and it works really well. I get it done in 2.5 minutes. So this is a very fast way to do it for you. I hope that you have this and you don't have to do it by hand. I hear it takes about 20 minutes. So hopefully you have this beater that I'm using. And I also use, what is it? Oh, like the instant coffee. I do the espresso roast because I like it a little bit of a darker flavor. So let me show you what we need. All right, y'all, that's it. Super simple, like I said. I hope you give it a try. It's delicious. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. And be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time.